Did you know that in Virginia, the state law says that if you rent your home or your apartment, it's the landlord's responsibility to provide the visual smoke detector equipment? It's true. If you need visual smoke detector equipment, you can write a letter to your landlord and explain that someone who lives in your home or apartment has a hearing loss, is hard of hearing, is deaf, or is deaf-blind and needs special equipment. It's the landlord's responsibility to install that for you. If you need help explaining that to the landlord, NVRC can provide you with a printed copy of the law to help them understand their responsibility. For more information, contact NVRC.